Welcome to another episode of Ask a Hypnotherapist with Dr. Clayton. So, the question is, a lot of people are going to be flying to visit loved ones this holiday, but are very nervous about planes. How do you help people who have a phobia of flying?
Well, there's two main types of anxiety or fear related to flying. One is what I would call normal anxiety, which is an anxiety you can have about anything, either imagining like the plane crashing or something going wrong or things taking forever or getting backed up or canceled or whatever. All that stuff can create what I would call normal anxiety. And then the other type would be a plane specific anxiety that I would call claustrophobia, the same type of anxiety you might have related to an elevator or an MRI machine. So it's a lot to talk about in just 1 minute, but here's what I want you to do. Imagine, so if you are flying and if you have some kind of anxiety about flying, here's what I want you to do. I want you to imagine yourself, okay, so you're boarding the plane, everything's going fine. You take off, everything's fine. You're in the air. Your mind can go anywhere outside the plane that you want. You can imagine your destination. It's completely free to think about back home, all the things outside. Your mind is completely free and not at all trapped inside of the plane. It can go anywhere it wants. And then you imagine yourself landing safely, exiting the plane safely. So that scenario, that kind of movie or slideshow, I want you to practice that kind of over and over and get used to it and comfortable with it. And you will find if you continue practicing that your anxiety will decrease and hopefully go away completely.